Little but mighty!
What is it? What's wrong, Mayo?
Ketchup! Look! Over there! Those sentences!
Run on sentences! I'm bringing this to teacher! Stop running! Teacher!
Ketchup! Are those run-on sentences?
Yes, I found them in the classroom when I was with Mayo. How do we fix them?
Let's explain to our friends watching first what a run-on sentence is. Welcome everyone to Catch Up on English!
Okay, run-on sentences are incorrect sentences. Teacher, I know they're incorrect, but I forgot why. They just look wrong.
Before we talk about what a run-on sentence is, we need to know about the clause.
Santa Claus?
No, not Santa Claus. A clause is a group of words that contain a subject and a verb that have a relationship. For example, Mimi is friendly.
Mimi is the subject, while is the verb. And an independent clause is one which can stand on its own to form a sentence. At the end of each sentence, we will usually need a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark, right?
That's right. So what is wrong with a run-on sentence is that it has two independent clauses that run together without the proper use of punctuation or conjunction.
Ooh, I understand now. I succeeded in the end is an independent clause. I do not give up easily is an independent clause too. They cannot run together.
Yeah, since an independent clause can stand alone as a sentence, to fix run-on sentences, you should do the following. Connect two independent clauses with a conjunction or just write them as separate sentences.
I know how to fix these run-on sentences now, teacher. Mimi is friendly. Full stop. Everyone likes her.
Yes, you used the full stop to make two separate sentences.
Next, I succeeded in the end because I do not give up easily.
Well done! You used the conjunction because.
Yep, last one. It has been raining regularly, so I always bring an umbrella.
Excellent job, Ketchup! You used the conjunction so.
I did it! I fixed run-on sentences. I fixed them. Thanks, teacher. Mayo!
Mayo has already gone home. Hi everyone! If you like our videos, hit like and subscribe.
Teacher, Mayo went home without me.
I know, Ketchup. I'm sorry.
Hit like and subscribe, okay?